everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little informative because you should all understand what's the difference between a retinol and Bakuchiol. So I've got two product recommendation as well, which I'm going to talk about later in this video, but it's very important to address what is retinol and what is Bakuchiol. And this video is especially for someone who are in their mid 20s or late 20s or in the 30s who are actually also doing their anti-aging skincare routine. You can actually include this as a treatment at bedtime. This is not for morning. This is actually like a treatment which you can use at night as a night care routine. So I thought let's come here, burst a little myth, and let's make my YouTube fam aware of what exactly these two ingredients are. Very excited, gonna keep it super simple, no layman language, just gonna be super candid and will make sure that you understand about these two ingredients extremely well. Let's actually talk about what's the difference between a retinol and Bakuchiol first. Retinol is basically a potent vitamin A derivative that offers more powerful yet faster anti-aging result, but can actually cause irritation, dryness, and also sun sensitivity, which means that if you are someone who has sensitive skin, this would not be ideal for you. At the same time, Bakuchi oil is a plant-based alternative to retinol that provides similar anti-aging benefits like reducing fine lines and wrinkles. This is actually super gentle on the skin. It will actually give you gradual results, but with consistent use you are going to see difference, and there is no sun sensitivity issue, which means that this is actually ideal for someone who has sensitive skin and also ideal for someone who has acne prone skin, and this is also safe for someone who are pregnant. What's the most important thing when we are applying a retinol or Bakuchi oil? When you're applying this at night, either of them, you have to make sure that you apply sunscreen in the morning, because it is a treatment and your skin might get a little sensitive. But leaving everything apart, it's extremely important that you never miss a sunscreen in the daytime. So make sure that you do that. It's a must. Now let's quickly talk about the key benefit. When we speak about retinol, it actually helps and targets fine lines, wrinkles, sunspots, enlarged pores, and even the skin texture, which is absolutely great. And Bakuchi oil helps to reduce fine line, wrinkles, and also hyperpigmentation. So with all the information that I've provided so far, I think that you would already know that which one would suit you. So again, if your skin is acne prone or super sensitive, do not use a retinol. You can actually go towards the natural derivative of retinol, which is Bakuchi oil. So I hope that you have understood the concept of retinol and Bakuchi oil. Just wanted to keep it super simple. Now let's come to the main part, for which I know that you all have been waiting, which is the product recommendation. So for retinol, I am going to highly recommend this one, which is by the brand Dermaco, and this is the Skin Renew range by Dr. V. Skin Renew Peptide Retinol Serum Cream. Just to give you a little brief about this, Dr. V is actually a very renowned dermat, and she actually came down to India and collaborated with Dermaco to make, an entire range for Indian skin type. And that's when I saw that and I was like, you know what, I should get it, because she spoke a lot about it, and this is very much beginner friendly. So if you're someone who is getting introduced to retinol, you can actually get your hands on this. And it's also very important that the packaging has to be intact when it comes to retinol. It should not come in contact with the air, and that's what makes this different. If you see, this is all packed, and when you even open it, there is like a pump. So when you press this, the product is actually going to come out, and you're just going to take it and just apply it on your skin, and that's about it. And that's the reason I love it. This actually helps with fine line, wrinkles, also helps you with the skin texture, the uneven skin texture that is there on the face, and also the roughness. It helps with this. If you have enlarged pores, it also helps you with that. This has to be used once a week if you're a beginner, and over a period of time you can do twice a week and then every other day. Do not go full on. Your skin is definitely going to take time to get adjusted to retinol. So if you are a beginner, just use this once a week and make sure that you use a sunscreen the next morning. Super important, because your skin is going to be super sensitive towards the sun, so make sure that you do that. And over time, after a couple of weeks, you can actually use this product twice a week and then every other day. Do not just go full on, because then it might irritate your skin and it would not be a great idea. So be very careful when you're applying retinol. Just begin slow, and like I said, this is beginner friendly, so yes, it did not irritate my skin or caused any insensitivity. With consistency, my skin actually adapted to retinol. I actually used this the entire year last year. This year I haven't, because I have actually moved to Bakuchiol. It's been a while actually I haven't used this, because I'm also in my fertility journey, so I kind of avoid this. Again, this is something that you should not use when you are in your pregnancy journey. Make sure that you don't use it, because then it is going to go inside your bloodstream and it is not good for your fetus or your baby who's inside. So make sure that you do your research before you apply a retinol. Now for Bakuchi oil, I have spoken so much about this product as well, which is this. Now this is by Indie Wild, and this is your Sunset Restore Retinol Barrier Strengthening Serum. This actually has 7 plus actives and super herbs, 1% Bakuchi oil, tripeptide complex, choline, amla, and saffron. So it not only helps you with fine line, hyperpigmentation, or wrinkles, it will also help to give you like a nice glow to the skin, and will also take care of the roughness and the skin texture that is there. Will also take care of your skin barrier, so it's going to do everything. But with this, it will take a little while, because retinol acts up a little faster. So I think that's like a rabbit and this is like a tortoise. But when you actually use this consistently, it is just going to be like a game changer. It does take about 2 months to see result, but once you see the results, you'll be like, no, I am not looking back. And this is like my second like bottle. The first packaging was like a droplet, if you would have seen, and now they have come with like this pump. Again, like I said, these kind of ingredients should not be oxidized or should come in contact with the air or the environment, because then the efficacy or the efficiency of this product will go down. And yeah, what else do I talk about this? Yes, the most important bit, I started using this once a week, and then I started using this every alternate day, and sometimes I also use this like every day, and I have not seen any irritation or sensitivity that is going on. I am blessed with a good skin, I believe, but then again, you really have to take care of it. But the only thing that I really want to highlight is this has like an oil texture, like oil consistency, and you have to be super careful about it. Just take about 2 to 3 pumps, that's about it. If you are oily skin type, you can actually skip this, because I feel it would make your skin feel more oily. And once you have applied this on your skin, gently massage it. It will take few minutes to seep inside the skin. Make sure that you do your skincare, especially 30 minutes prior to you going to bed, because it has to go inside the skin. If you don't do that and you just apply it and just go off to sleep, all the oil is definitely going to transfer to the pillow cover. So make sure that you are super careful about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to keep it informative yet extremely simple, so that you understand what exactly these two are. And yes, thank you so much for watching. If you have anything for me, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.